hundreds of students from schools right across the island out in their numbers for the inaugural Youth Climate Change Conference. Debates, exhibitions, performances, and lots more in today's edition of School Zone. Students discussing climate change? Yes! More and more students are becoming aware of the dangers this environmental phenomenon is creating in our society and are taking action. The inaugural Youth Climate Change Conference was funded by the USAID's Jamaica Rural Economy and Ecosystems Adapting to Climate Change (JAREACH) project, with government support from the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change. The major focus of the conference was the youth sectoral debates, where 5 schools represented 5 government ministries.
Discussing the ideas of climate change to stimulate interest and dialogue among youth on climate change and its impacts on Jamaica's key social and economic sectors.
Awareness about climate change has to begin right here, right now, with you and your peers across the length and breadth of the island. We need to engage you, our bright young minds, and have you on board as we take the message to the wider public.
The motion.
To adapt to the ever-changing climate, some lifestyle.
Let the debates begin.
My defeated opponent.
Can you imagine a Jamaica without tourism? If you think our island is facing economic woes now, imagine the state we would be in without our most economically profiting ministry. Tourism accounting for a whopping $20 billion US worth of investment in 2013 alone.
The need for quality water among the 5 economic sectors are not equal and cannot be equal. My opponents, isn't it clear? The agriculture and fisheries sector serve as oxygen for all the 4 sectors.
When one has to meet the demands of 2.7 million people, trading partners, and providing resources for all the other sectors, that is a big job, and we simply cannot do it without a stable supply of water.
To the well-being of our country citizens, we believe that the quantity and availability of water is most needed in this sector.
Without a functioning health sector, none of us would be here today, and Jamaica would not be a tropical paradise, but a tropical misery. The need to implement reliable water systems for the health sector must be a top priority.
Chairperson, judges, audience, my defeated opponents. All sectors must compete, but the needs of the environment are far more important than any other sector. Therefore, we must act to provide, protect, and conserve water resources for the environment.
Good opening volleys. But a debate is not so easily won.
A question to all the sectors competing for this most valuable commodity, water. What would the manufacturing sector be without healthy manufacturers? What would the agricultural sector be without healthy farmers? What would the tourism sector be without healthy hotel managers, healthy lifeguards, healthy bus drivers? Tell me.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've been sitting over there listening to the rubbishes that have been uttered. I think that what they should do is recycle and use better farming techniques instead of arguing for more water, because the environment needs more water than they do. Without an healthy environment, can they be? No, they can't.
Our young debaters were certainly passionate about their sector's needs. But do they have you convinced? As you think about which sector really needs more water, let's take a lightning break to enjoy some climate-friendly entertainment.
Right, the Jade Tomlinson. Her outfit is made of banana chip wrappers, rice bags, and cartridge paper. The Jade is rocking the national colors. The dress is a tube top. What? The dress is a tube top made from umbrella and garbage bags. And I see she has some slippers on her foot that also look to be recycled. Great job. The outfit is made from garbage bags, juice box, and banana chip bags. The belting is made from broom strands. Stage now. So give a round of applause for everybody. Everybody on stage. I'm in the way. Go on, go on.
Tell you the truth, it kinda wrongish. Pollute the waters, burn the tires, now the ozone it a vanish. That style the way you have it off for vanish. Reap the trees and now plant people. You nothing that kinda wrongish. Lose the earth, then know we are gonna manage. Do the right and don't look so astonished. We are asked what's happening.
Each endeavor in all achieving. Keep watching School Zone.
As the judges wrap up their deliberations, School Zone was invited to be an independent delegate and, based on some of the debaters' suggestions, create a youth climate change declaration. So now to the moment we've all been waiting for.
In third place for our debate competition this morning, we have Westwood High School. Our second place winner is Bustamante High. Wow. Looks like we have general agreement from the assembly. Our first prize winner is Monroe College.
Good job, guys. Other prizes for our astute debaters included Best Presenter going to Jaden Johnson of Monroe College. Most technically sound speaker went to another Monroanian, Antonia Davis, who also received a special scholarship from the Sandals Foundation. And Westwood High copped the award as the most cohesive team.
My defeated opponent.
One climate, one future, empowering youth for action. And that's it for another exciting episode of School Zone. I'm here with my alma mater, Westwood High. Tune in next time. I'm Tamara McKeel.